just allow yourself to relax. If you have anything on your lap or anything that's around that needs tending to, end it now. And allow yourself to just fully be present with however you're relaxing. If it's comfortable, close your eyes or gaze softly down and just be with your breath. This automatic cycling that happens so many times every day of the year. In this turning of a page in the new year, there's potential for so much more. So much more of you being you. What I invite you to do now is to feel that potency that is in every last cell of your body, in every molecule of air that you breathe, down to the quarks that make up the atoms, smaller still. Allow yourself to feel that breath and allow every breath to fill your body, not just physically, but energetically with every cycle. Letting the inhale do its work, bringing in new, letting the exhale do its work, releasing anything that's no longer needed. Just feeling that cycle, feeling it move through. And allowing that to mingle with everything in existence. Not only are you sharing that air with billions of beings, plant, animal, fungi, all kinds of things, but you are also sharing that same essence, that same substance that makes up all of matter. It has wisdom, it has love, power, has all of Unity's 12 powers wrapped up inside of it. By you being present in the silence, you unlock the door for more. all exists. In this space is more love than any of the billions of people on this planet, all of the creatures, all of the things, could possibly ever even want. That's how vast this is. From this deep well, if there are any people, places, things, situations that seem out of sync from this or disconnected, call their names softly aloud and allow them to be surrounded and reminded of this love. All of these spoken and unspoken, thank you for bringing them into the awareness that they are truly surrounded and made of love and so much more. Just breathe, feeling that release that you have helped with. Now, how about bringing your body into this vastness? You might do it by wiggling fingers and toes first. If you're sitting with others, being mindful of their space as you stretch out, and you may want to move limbs, get your back moving, all of that.